Good morning, my lovely viewers. Una welcome to this channel. I hear say e go dey hot now wella inside Anambra State. Say the Nigerian police plus army plus all of them navy join together. These people don't ready say they won't come fight unknown gunmen. And as e be, they don't carry themselves enter that place. And as I hear am, I say better gun battle don dey shele between these two people. Now the opponents they shoot back, our Nigerian police they fight back. And our Nigerian police they claim say them they don't come now come overtake. Say anybody will be say you won't come inside these states now come they cause kata, they no go give you the chance to. For my people who never see this one, they can follow me watch.
From today, we are going to dominate all the towns and the villages of Anambra State. We're out, like I said this morning, from Oka, we went to Nucha, through Nnobi, and we are here in Omonze right now. It is meant to build confidence on the people, to tell them that we are on ground and that they can come out and exercise their franchise come 6th of November without threat to anybody. We are out here to encourage them, to sensitize them, and also to tell those who want to make trouble that we have the capacity to deal with anybody who wants to come out to make trouble on that particular day, because the people of Anambra deserve better than what they are doing. For me, it was a joke. That's the way I looked at it. It was a joke, because any reasonable person will not come down to attack a convoy like this made up of the military, the police, the civil defense, and every other person in it. And I think they paid heavily for that attempt today.
But on a sure say this thing na real fighting. Because now they claim say on the fight on no government. The opponent will be on the fight. You know they see the person. Not only on just say they act Bruce Lee film, they act action film. What did they happen? We know they see. We just see on they move from position to position. Don't shoot, don't do this. But who on they shoot? We don't see. And person will lie down there, they look and say on a sure say na unknown government be this one. Because person will be say they really attack us. She will go see gun for in hand. Now person don't die for gun. Nothing there. Common stick no dey hand. The person just dey lifeless for ground like that. But making a look as Anambra be. Election never reach. See as everywhere don't dey hot. See as begay happen. I beg if election come reach and come waiting what happen. For me, it don't dey too bloody. I go advise make everybody sit down inside Papa house on election day. You will be say you know like your life. Fine and good. If you carry yourself, come outside. When they from Bruce Lee say, yes, you ready to die. But you will be say, you know, say, now only you, your mama born, you like your life. Your life, they very precious to you. It go there very good, make you sit down for house. And our government, I go advise, I don't know, and I go bring that electric voting. Maybe people begin vote with their phones. Because I don't see why me, I go come outside, say, with all this shooting, and now I won't go vote. Nobody go come outside. So make me look for alternative. But anyways, me, I see this one as good move. If they come outside, say, truly, they won't come fight unknown government. It's good, now good thing. But make this whole good thing unknown government, no can go, they go into the innocent people, be say, they don't know anything about this matter. Now, there, me, I go get issue with now. So make na carry this work, do am as na talk say, na one take down. Anyways, my people, now here, I go end them on this matter. Make na stay tuned for our next story. I hear say the youths of Plateau State don't come outside begin protest though. These people now they come outside they protest against the impeachment of the Plateau Assembly Speaker. And then they claim say they don't like how they come out Abu Kayuba. Say because this man the reason saying because him na a young speaker now why they don't want him inside the government house now what make them impeach him. But these people say they claim say this man no they do in work. See as they appoint him, he just come there, come they embezzle money, mismanagement of funds. Now this guy come there, come they do. Say now why they impeach him, boy, be like say they this our youth, they know they ready to listen. Now waiting make all of them come out and now begin the protest. My people, they can follow me watch. Chai, now what? But our Nigerian, I don't talk. If you now won't come outside, come protest, make na come outside, come protest. If you now not see a dancing competition, I won't come outside, come do, make na come do. Because to me, I beg who won't carry on a seriously. On a day they play a boku music, they dance up and down. I beg how they won't take on a serious. No. At least if say one person at least come outside, come talk with it, they fight for before understand. So okay, oh fine, on a business, okay, this guy now young guy, a book now young guy, maybe they don't want him for the house, now why they come out him? Because even him, they claim say impeachment, say he did illegal. But if you don't say he did illegal, me I go believe say make you just carry this matter, go court. Go fight them. Because me I hear say them they complain say you know they even go any government function. If they talk say meeting day, they go call you, you know go giggle. If they talk say okay fine and good, oga, come give record of our financial balance. Now there you go, you know go come back again. I mean I can't look if it be true. Because now they appoint them there. So if they say okay fine and good, you know they work well, they get every right to promote you. Because now they look and say, oh now know our young people as they be now. This man fit there now for there say himself won't go embezzle money on and on as they pick. But fine, if you feel say fine, you don't do everything right and you get proof, me I believe say if you carry these people, go court. Go challenge them. Not be about you staying there saying you they fight with them, can't go pay all these protesters. Because to me, these people don't look real. Are they very certain say they don't give them 1,000 naira to come out and come to do all this one? But if them don't come out you for bad reason, I don't see why you go fight back. Go in peace. It means say you know the capable of the work. May they appoint new person, make you can't see the changes. If this one said go bring new change, so I beg and youth, me I don't talk time sometimes. No be violence, be always be problem. At times no be about protesting. If you now get leader, make the person right, person where the thing they affect, make him come outside by himself. Or now coming out now, I don't even see the essence, I don't see the gain. Because no be saying giving or anything. No be say I think they empower or now they benefit from us. So why be so I can't carry the matter for head? Anyways, my people, now here I go end up on this matter. Make now stay tuned for our next story.